watching Lulu Ramadan Delights. Today we have with us Chef Vish. So Chef, what are we making?
So today I'm going to try chicken mozzarella pockets and I'm going to use
Interesting.
mozzarella cheese from Almarai. This is a super interesting recipe, very quick.
Amazing.
So we'll just start it. I've put the skillet on. Let me start with the onions, then bell peppers and chicken, and we're just sauteing it, and we're gonna make it.
Super easy to
very
make.
easy, very easy, very easy. So let's start with. Let's put some onion.
Now we're going to use onions. Need to fry the onion.
Yes. Some garlic.
Onion and garlic.
Yup. I'll take the chicken.
Now we'll put in chicken. Amazing.
We'll add some black pepper,
Okay.
chili flakes, some salt.
Using just a pinch of salt.
Yes, please.
Just mixing it.
Just mixing it together, yes.
The smell is so nice and the aroma is really nice.
So now gently I'm going to use some bell peppers.
Okay.
So we have yellow, green and red bell peppers. Some smoked paprika powder.
Right. So mixing it.
So meanwhile the chicken is cooking, I'm going to use a tortilla bread.
Okay.
That's why I'm on this. So just we're going to sear it.
Just to make it warm.
Yes. Now come
Delicious. Now we're adding
my
the
hero product. This is a little mozzarella.
the star of our
Yeah.
dish. The mozzarella dish.
Now this time we have to make sure it is not, the heat has to be close. It should not be heated.
Okay.
So we just want mozzarella to
Without
just bind with our chicken.
nice. It will make it cheesy.
Exactly. So I'll quickly take this tortilla. Fresh chicken.
Putting it in.
Yes.
Looks delicious. Some
A lot of mozzarella. Then one,
Now we
two.
wrap it up.
3. Here we go.
Delicious.
So we'll make another one. Super easy. See?
Yummy. The smell is so delicious.
Just we have to cut.
Very nice. Cheesy cheese.
Cheesy.
The star of
Yup.
the dish.
Here we go.
Perfect. Perfect.
So now you can see it's just 2.5-3 minutes recipe.
Very easy,
So
very
I
quick
think
to make.
it's almost done. So let's do one thing. Let's do the plating.
Perfect.
Here we go.
Thank you so much, Chef Vish, for this amazing dish.
Thank you.